Hi, this is Mrs. Secor, and we're going to do section 1-5 in our notebooks, words, equations, tables, and graphs. We have a sentence here. A ticket costs $4 per person. We're going to write an equation for that, a rule, and put it into create our function table. I've started the function table. I've put input as 2, 4, 6, and 8, and these are going to represent how many people we're talking about, and then the output will be our y, which you can see on the graph over here is the cost. Okay, so let's just think about this for a minute. If I have $4 and had maybe one person, it would cost $4, right? If I put in two people, $4 times 2, it would cost me 8. So it looks like my rule is $4 times how many people? X representing the number of people. And the output representing the cost. Okay, so $4 times my input X is 2 gives me an output of $8 for the cost of the 2 tickets. Okay, now we're going to have 4 people. So $4 times 4 people, that gives me $16. 6 people, $4 per ticket. I have 6 people, so that's $24. And then if I have 8 people, my cost will be $32. Now we're going to graph this. We're going to look at the X and the Y. We're going to skip the rule column in the middle and just graph our X and Y. Okay, so if I have 2 people, this is the number of people, the X, 2 people, it costs $8. If I have 4 people, 4, start at the origin, about 4, and then up 16. If I have 6 people, start at the origin, 0, 0, go out 6, and I have 24. If I have 8 people, go out to 8 and up to 32. And we're done. Let's try page 2. Another trip. A cost for a trip is $6 per person plus $200 for the bus. Okay, so if one person goes, it costs $6 for one person, but to rent that bus, we have to throw in $200 more. Okay, so if we have, this is going to be our number of people. And this will be the cost for the trip, the tickets and the bus. Okay, so if we have 2 people, $6 times 2 plus 200, right? So our rule is 6 times the number of people plus 200. Okay, we have 5 people. So it would be $6 times 5 people, plus our $200 for the bus. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 and 200 is $230. Kind of did that mentally. You okay with that? Okay, the next one. 10 people go on the bus. So it's $6 a ticket for 10 people. That'd be $60. Plus our bus rental, 200. So it's $260. Okay, 15 people get on the bus. So it's $6 for a ticket times 15. 6 times 15. Well, 2 times 15 is 30. 60. 90. Okay, 6 times 15 is 90. 90 plus 200. And that would be 290 for the trip. And then 20. 6 times 20, oh, that's 120. Plus 200 is $320 to take the trip. All right, we'll graph this on our coordinate system. If we have 5 people, it costs 230. Well, we don't have exactly, we have to eyeball it, okay? And then if we have 10 people, it's 260. And if we have 15 people, it's 290, close to the 300. And then if we have 20 people, it's 320. Hey, if we did something like this, if we added our table a little bit longer and said, hey, what would it be for 25 people to go? You know, algebra is the study of patterns, so we're counting up by, what is it, 5s? And then we can look at the y's, the outputs. This is a constant also. I wonder what it's going up by. 230, 260, 290. I think it's going up by 30s, right? So if we add 30 to 320, should be 350. Let's check that out. If we had 25 people, 6 times 25, that's 150. Plus 200, that does give me 350. And we can see if we had 25 people, it would end up there. Okay? Last page. A child's admission is $3 more than half of an adult's admission. Whoa. Okay. So this is the adult admission. It's a $20 ticket, a $22 ticket, a $28, and a $15. This is the adult, okay, cost. And then we want to find out the child cost. So, okay, if we take half of the adult's admission, let's say an adult's admission was $20, and we divided it by 2. Take half of it. That'd be $10, right? But we have to add 3 more. So that's addition, 3 more. Okay? So that would give me 10 order of operations plus 3, $13 as a child's ticket. Okay. So the rule is the adult's ticket, X, you divide it by 2. You take half of it. And then you have to add 3 more dollars because it says plus 3. Let me clean that up a little bit. Plus 3. Try again. Plus 3. Okay, we're going on. All right, so we have 20 divided by 2 plus 3, and we said that's 13. And then we have 22 divided by 2 plus 3. That's 11 plus 3. Oh, that's $14. Then we jump to 28. If the ticket was $28, half of 28 is 14. 14 and 3 is $17 for the child's ticket. Uh-oh. 15 divided by 2. Half of 15 is 7.5 or $7.50 plus 3. $7.50 plus 3 is $10.50. Thank you.